Ka isa baka sembelai ka wana tunong nartiang ka walay pure Christian Academy Shillong diyo ka haka 20th position haka SSLC examination arja arhondru ka wada pemi result ni dek embos ay wada yo distinction ka hagi santili subject bagi total marks ka depoy sanspa san hosan. Dekana ka wada wan pure ka Christian Academy ha usdam arja arpau hay por wa emwat ka lockdown.
They is of a cousin black, but they national Nadia, they have a Hills. Shadi Shashulampad as a mission compound, block 2. Ngalawan join ng Christian Academy yung views ng Aja Arpo, today for lockdown. And kadon siya sipon mo one kong niya. And then after the lockdown, bit by bit nalalahiban come you school mo, come na concentrate ban ngam dispen tan kan hadu kata bok men record ngasulang banyak kipo bang ala bang concentrate muka maybe at least 2 hours a day ru lang ala bang concentrate
electrician kayak ini
duduk bedang dengan tuition na and then hatian pengen lagi kan maths dan science
Vilka subject of your max buat kan?
Mayo max bu ya kan maths bad ka computer
Kan of your max.
mayo 98 in maths computer 7 mga one siya niya na wala ka school ng tundong mo. Yung nagkaroon parang tanong. Yung kam struggle kung diya ba ka English. But I don't taro kung diya kadang situation jari. But mga join ng nil bihos na maaja at ho. Kadiro ko lockdown as dan ito ka put at yung rajin kuya jong. And after that, do 7 hadutan pa ngalakam constitution akam take care ki big subject nga ba akam na Entah tu orang akan you English ni apa. Nakam expect tu siya because kada new change policy from question paper mata. Tu masih ibang comment kebahagiaan jangan comment.
Ki to prepare em create em itu guidebook bak sarkar ka ay.
Kandian yo ahi bentai but ang prepare but exactly from long tu but when you go through you kat tu but yang kam nak baca si textbook.
Itu depend banyak kaji na school.
First ni was nak hai kaji na kai jonga. Yeah, because mainly ni so tu bagi one be application based questions. Then after that then guide ngam kuliah ki textbook jonga. Kita ai na kai dan hasil ngam juga buat school ni kita textbook.
Wish would number 1.